Yeah, you gotta.
Step into the fascinating world of these giant machines, where human strength and ingenuity merge to push beyond all limits. These machines are not only a testament to human intellect and creativity, but also a symbol of conquering challenges that once seemed impossible. Let's explore together. This guy is absolutely incredible, making tree cutting look like a simple task, when in reality, it's anything but. People need to understand that he's performing a job that demands absolute precision, where every cut has to be perfect. And he nailed it, brilliantly. You're standing before a towering mountain of timber, but don't worry. You have the perfect weapon, the powerful combination of a robust excavator and the log ripper X18 saw blade. This machine is engineered for maximum efficiency, making cutting and handling wood easier than ever. Whether it's hardwood, softwood, or anything in between, the log ripper X18 conquers it all with unmatched strength and precision. The experienced tree cutter is a true master of his craft, where every cut exudes confidence and precision. With skills honed over the years, he handles each tree swiftly, efficiently, and with absolute safety. It's not just about strength, he also applies deep knowledge of wood types and terrain, ensuring every step is carried out with the utmost professionalism. The tool is not just a saw, it's a connection to the past, a symbol of quality and tradition. When you hear its steady hum and catch the fresh scent of wood, you're experiencing a piece of history. It's a reminder of a time when everything was crafted with care, precision, and built to stand the test of time. A master craftsman, with just a precise cut, returned the tree stump to its original position as if it had never been felled. His skill and talent left everyone in awe, turning what seemed impossible into reality in an instant. Get ready to witness this Scania showcase its incredible power and perfect balance. It's a performance you won't want to miss, an impressive experience that only this vehicle can deliver. In front of you is the 640H, built with a single purpose, to get the job done. This is raw power, unstoppable strength. When you need to move a log, this is the machine for you. No excuses, no complaints, just results. Powerful and undeniable.
Starting to move.
Here it is. I'm sure this is a nerve-wracking experience that no one wants to face. It feels like you're betting with yourself, a risky game with no predictable outcome.
Yeah, you gotta board cut them ones.
Check out the Pona Ergo, a true powerhouse. Watch how effortlessly it handles those massive Douglas fir and grand fir trees. The C5 crane frame pairs perfectly with the H8 head, creating a well-oiled machine that delivers smooth, efficient performance. Less downtime means more wood, and ultimately, higher profits. Though it comes with a price tag between $255,000 and $395,000, if you're serious about maximizing your productivity, this machine is definitely worth every penny. Sure, I have a question. Can anyone explain why loggers always leave their saws near the stump like that? Why don't they take it somewhere safer? This guy has created an amazing log splitter that has saved him an immense amount of time and effort. It's truly an outstanding achievement, delivering exceptional efficiency and completely changing the way he works. It's amazing to see these machines operating smoothly, without any human intervention. I can't take my eyes off these perfect cuts. What do you think? I've had my share of driving adventures, from snow-covered roads to high mountain passes in Europe, but the SRS truck drivers have truly impressed me. Their expertise in such challenging conditions is remarkable, and it gives us a deeper understanding of the grandeur of America's hills and mountains. Here's another amazing machine that saves the farmer a lot of time and effort. His job is simply to load the log onto the machine, and the rest is taken care of quickly and efficiently. It's truly a fantastic help, making the job easier than ever. Wow, look at the arm on the WH450RL. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie, reaching out to grab those massive logs. It's incredible. But you know, sometimes even this mighty machine faces challenges, making you realize just how powerful nature truly is, beyond anything that can be conquered. Honestly, I really enjoy watching these log splitters in action. The sense of relaxation they bring is hard to describe, as if they're playing a game with every precise and smooth move. It's as if the task becomes so effortless and enjoyable that you can't take your eyes off it. A modern machine that works incredibly efficiently, offering great convenience. Winter becomes much warmer when your stove is always stocked with firewood, with each flame igniting to create a cozy and comfortable atmosphere. Let's talk about the Pona Ergo, a machine redefining the timber harvesting industry. With a powerful 268 horsepower Mercedes engine and an 8-wheel drive system, it can handle anything you throw at it. Equipped with a hydraulic crane that extends up to 36 feet, you can reach and lift the largest trees with precision. If you're a logger looking for top-tier performance, the Pona Ergo is the unbeatable choice.
Hydraulic conveyor log lift. It's single leg, puts out around 26
The machine may seem simple, but its performance is truly impressive. Watch how he operates it. It's as if he's playing a role-playing game, with every move precise and focused, delivering outstanding results without rushing. Today's journey exploring these amazing wood processing machines comes to a close. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, please support the channel with a like and subscribe to give the team the motivation to create more exciting videos for you. Thank you so much.